हेलो माय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू इम्तिहान आईएएस। इम्तिहान आईएएस में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। Today we have come to the end of our test 1 and this current affairs section. Let's start with the questions. So the first question is, consider the following statements about Mission Saksham. It's now let's the statements. It has been launched by the Reserve Bank of India. Statement is correct. It focuses on capacity building of the urban cooperative banking sector. Also correct. So what is Mission Saksham is one, it has been operational 28th April 2026. What is the main mission of Mission Saksham is it targets the mismanagement and governance failure of urban cooperative banking sector, because urban cooperative banking sector faces dual registration and dual regulation. First is banking sector is governed by RBI and cooperative sector is governed by state registrar of cooperative societies. So this faces dual regulation, and this gives the scope of mismanagement, loopholes, and also RBI launched this Mission Saksham, enhance the technology to enhance the capabilities of this urban cooperative banking sector. First two statements are correct. Third is, it was launched based on recommendations of the Narsimham Committee. It's wrong. Narsimham Committee, uh, we all know that it is for banking reforms, but this is for commercial banking reform. Okay, there were two Narsimham committees. Okay. First was for committee for financial systems. Okay, financial systems. It was appointed by Finance Minister Manmohan Singh in 1991. Manmohan Singh in 1991. And the second Narsimham Committee was appointed by P. Chidambaram in 1997 for banking reform. Okay, this you have to remember that there were two Narsimham committees. One is for Committee for Financial System, which was appointed by Manmohan Singh in the year 1991, and the second one was appointed by P. Chidambaram in 1997 for banking reforms. Okay, here the answer would be option A, 1 and 2. Now next question. Which of the following country was was the fifth World Small Scale Fish Congress held? So fifth World Small Scale Fish Congress held. Let's see. Indonesia. No, it was held at Thailand, Bangkok. So Indonesia and Vietnam are major fishery nations. You all know 600 million people globally are based on fisheries, and India is the third largest producer of fisheries. Okay, yeah, and the nodal program is PM Matsya Sampada Yojana. Matsya Sampada. What is the outlay of this program? It is 20,000 to 50 crore for day, and okay. Here the answer is option D, Thailand. Okay, next question. Consider the following statements about the maiden salvo launch of NASM SR 2026. What is NASM? First of all, let's see what is maiden. Maiden we all know first. Salvo is in continuation, means succession, one by one. That is Salvo, launch of NASM SR in 20. Okay, so let's see. Two missiles were launched in quick succession from a naval helicopter platform. Correct? The launch was carried out of the Odisha coast in the Bay of Bengal. This is correct. The missile used a liquid propulsion booster with a long burn sustainer. No, wrong. The missile uses a solid propulsion booster with a long burn sustainer. Okay, one second. So, what is NASM? Is Naval Anti-Ship Missile. Missile short short run. So this is the full form of NASM is Naval Anti-Ship Missile Short Run. And here the answer is option A, 1 and 2, third is wrong. Consider the following statements about Vikram VT-21. Let's read. It is developed by DRDO for high altitude operations. Correct? It is developed by DRDO with help of Adani Aerospace and SAIL. Developed. Okay, this it is a light tank weighing approximately 25 tons. This is correct. It is manufactured by Bharat Electronics Limited as the development cum production partner. No, wrong. It is developed by L&T, that is Larsen and Toubro company. Okay, so the options are 1 and 2. The option is correct. Next, consider the following statements about India's invocation of the WTO peace clause in 2020. So, first statement is it was invoked for the 7th time by India. So, India has been invoking this WTO peace clause since 2018-19. Okay, and in continuation, 7th time India has invoked it this time. India's rice subsidy 24-25 was approximately 11.85 of the total value of rice production. This is also correct. It counts to be 7.6 billion dollars because the rice. The peace clause was originally agreed upon the Nairobi Ministerial Conference of WTO. Statement is wrong, and it has been agreed at Bali Ministerial Conference. Bali Ministerial Conference in 2013. So the option 1 and 2 are correct. Consider the following statements about the publication Women and Men in India 2020 by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, specifically from the Office of Star of India. Sex ratio at birth at the all-time level, the all India level was recorded as 900 per 1000 for 21-23. Statement is also correct. You all know Kerala the highest sex ratio and Haryana and UP Haryana and UP are lowest. So here both 1 and 2 are correct. Okay. option. In April 2026, 5 new districts were created in Ladakh. Which of the following is not among the created districts? Is created just as Kargil was the one of the two districts of Ladakh. One was Kargil and the other was Leh. They're already there, and the 5 new districts are Jaskar, Dras, Shan, and Thang. Thang. So Nubra, Shan, and Chanthang are created from Leh. They are carved out of Leh. And Jaskar and Dras were created out from Kargil. So here option D, Kargil is the answer. Next, consider the following statements about the India-New Zealand agreement signed in 2026. So this is the one of the fastest FTAs which we have signed with any developed nation. It took only 9 months of negotiation. Okay, so let's start. It was signed on 27th April 2026, correct? New Zealand will provide duty access to 100% of India's exports upon entry into force. This is correct. India has opened 100% of its tariff lines and under the agreement. This is wrong. India has not opened its 100% of its tariff line. It has opened only 70.03% of its tariff lines to and under the agreement. India has kept some sensitive items like dairy, edible oil, and some of the agricultural products also. It has not been opened 100%. Okay, so the option will be 1 and 2. Salmonella, recently in news due to poisoning cases in the US, belongs to which of the following categories? So we have red salmonella. It's a bacteria, we all know, because we know Salmonella typhi, root cause of typhoid fever. Okay, so this is the waterborne disease, and WHO has marked Salmonella as one of the most active foodborne disease cause. Okay, so Salmonella has been marked by WHO as one of the most active cause of foodborne diseases. Okay, it's a bacteria. Option C is the right answer. In April 2026, which country announced its withdrawal from Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC? So this is, you all know, UAE announced its withdrawal from the OPEC and OPEC plus countries. OPEC plus countries. So we should know about OPEC. OPEC was established 1960 at Baghdad. And there were 5 founding members. They were Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and Venezuela. Kuwait and Venezuela. UAE joined OPEC in the year 1907. Okay, and now it has announced its withdrawal from OPEC and OPEC plus countries amid the Iran-US war, we all know that is happening, and OPEC plus countries. OPEC plus countries, Russia, and other oil producers, other oil producers. Here, the answer is UAE. Option C. In April 2026, the SCO Defense Ministers meeting was held in. So the SCO Defense Ministers meeting was held in Bishkek. Bishkek is the capital of Kyrgyzstan. Okay. SCO, we all know, is a 10-member organization. India became a part of SCO in the year 2017. So the defense minister meeting was held in Bishkek. Consider the following statements about Sikkim's 50 years of statehood. So the Prime Minister participated in the closing ceremony of Sikkim's 50th statehood celebrations in April 2026. Statement is wrong. What is the Sikkim participated in the opening ceremony of this program? Okay. Sikkim was formally merged with India as the 22nd state to the Constitution 36th Amendment Act 1975. This is correct. So on 16th of May 1975, Sikkim became a part of Indian Union as the 22nd state. And by what method? By referendum, which was held in 1975. 97% of people voted in favor of merging with Indian Union. Okay. So here option B is correct. Next, consider the following statements about the first conference on transitioning away from the fossil fuels. So the first time this dialogue was made on transitioning away from fossil fuels, it was made in COP28 held in Dubai in 2023. Now it was co-hosted by Colombia and the Netherlands. Correct. It was held at Santa Marta, Colombia in April 2026. This was also correct. So option C is the correct answer. Both the statements are correct. Consider the following statements about the Virli Khandar historical site. Virli Khandar is historical site. So it is a megalithic site. Megalithic, what do you mean by megalithic? So mega means large and lithic is a stone, we all know that. Large stone formations are found at these sites. Okay, so it is located in Rajasthan. This statement is wrong. It's located in Gujarat. Sorry, it's not located in Gujarat. It's located in Maharashtra. So, Khandar is a historical site excavated recently in the state of Maharashtra. Okay, so statement 1 is correct. Consider the following statement based on the SIPRI military expenditure report. So SIPRI, we have studied this SIPRI report many times. Okay, India is the world's 5th largest military spender. This is correct. And who are the first 4? US, China, Russia, and Germany. These are the first 4, and India is the 5th largest military spender. And one more thing, India is the largest importer of arms, okay, in world. Next is India spent $92.1 billion on defense in 2025. So India had made a provision of 2% of its GDP to spend on military, and it aims to spend 3% of its GDP for fully modernization of its military. So both the statement are correct. Option C is the answer. In April 2026, the FIFA Council approved which country's women football teams to return to international competition. So the answer is Afghanistan. Afghanistan women team were banned from playing since the Taliban took over in August 2021. Since then, the women team was banned from playing, not only playing football, but from any type of sports. And the women were also banned from education, higher education and university education. So by banning these education and sports, Afghanistan became one of the most restrictive country for women globally. So Afghanistan here is the correct answer. Changi Naval Base recently visited by IOS Sagar and INS Sunaina is located in. So Changi Naval Base located in option D Singapore. It is one of the primary port of Republic of Republic of Singapore. Okay, and it is the base for US Naval also, Changi Naval Base. So this Singapore is the answer. April 2026, India held its inaugural artificial intelligence strategic dialogue with which country in Mumbai? So India and Japan held their first artificial intelligence strategic dialogue in Mumbai for the capacity building and technological logical. Our next session of this will be held in Japan. Consider the following statements about Operation Wipe. Operation Wipe is web-based, illicit activities, prevention and prevention and so this operation is launched by Narcotics Control Bureau NCB. First is it was launched to curb misuse of online platforms for illegal sale and distribution of pharmaceutical drugs regulated under the NDPS Act. Statement is correct. And it was launched by the Narcotics Control Bureau. This is also correct. So remember, Operation Vibe is launched to curb the misuse of online platforms which are selling the pharmaceutical drugs, very sensitive drugs, okay, which are regulated under the NDPS Act. It was not to be sold like openly, and it should require some kind of prescription and all, or they are highly sensitive drugs. Both the statements are correct. Next, Raghu Rai, who passed away in April 2026 at the age of 83, was celebrated for his contribution. So we have seen he was very much talked in newspapers, photojournalism. He was a very legendary and very elite photojournalist, and he has covered so many important events like Bangladesh war crisis of 1971. and he got Padma Shri in 1972. Padma Shri 1972 for covering this war. Next is Bhopal tragedy, also covered 1984, and works of Mother Teresa also at Kolkata. So he was very famous and very renowned photojournalist. Consider the following statements about the Malacca Strait. First, you all have to know that where is Malacca Strait. So it runs between the Malay Plateau and Matra Island. Okay. It is one of the most busiest and strategic waterway, and the most of the trade of China, Japan, and South Korea heavily depend on this route. So this is a very important and very strategic Malacca Strait. What it says, it connects the Andaman Sea to the South China Sea. Correct? It connects the Andaman Sea to the South China Sea. It is approximately 900 km long, almost 900 km long, and the trade of these three countries are heavily dependent upon this. Both the statement are correct. Options. In April 2026, which country's defense minister, General Sadio Kamara, was killed in an attack by jihadist fighters? So, the defense minister of Mali, Sadio Kamara, was killed by the jihadists. You all know Mali is under military since 2021, and he was the defense minister of Mali, was killed by the jihadis. The Union Cabinet's small hydro power development supports small hydro projects of which capacity range? So it's small hydro project program and supports the program capacity of 1 megawatt to 25 megawatt. Okay, the answer. Operation Wings of Dawn recently in news was launched by which country to airlift members of the B'nai Menashe community from northeast India? So this B'nai Menashe community is a resident of Manipur, and Menashe community, one of the oldest tribe of Israel. One of the oldest, the 10 lost tribes of Israel, it is one of them. So this Operation Wings Dawn was recently launched by the country Israel to airlift them and to Operation Return, I think. Under Operation Return, locate them to Israel. B'nai Menashe. Consider the following statements about the merger of AAP Rajya Sabha MPs with BJP in April 2026. Okay, so 7 out of 10 AAP Rajya Sabha MPs merged with BJP. Raghav Chadda, Swati Mahipal, all. As per the 91st Constitutional Amendment Act, a merger is valid only if at least two-thirds of the members of a party in a house agree to it. Statement also correct. So we know anti-defection law. Anti-defection law, added. added 10th schedule to our constitution. Okay, so 7 out of 10. So it meets the criteria of 2/3 MPs. So this statement is correct. Now, as per the 91st Constitution Amendment Act, a merger is valid. So this third is met there. So both the statements are correct. Option answer. Next, consider the following statements about the recently discovered Pushkarnema kuraje. So it is a new species of cyanobacteria. What are cyanobacteria? Cyanobacteria are those who are capable of doing photosynthesis. So these are bacteria. Bacteria, still they are called blue green algae. And these are capable of doing photosynthesis. Now it's a new species of cyanobacteria discovered by researchers from the Central University of Rajasthan. So Central University of Rajasthan. So this Kuraj is here, Kuraje, and it has been found from Pushkar Lake, Rajasthan, Rajasthan Ajmer. So this Pushkarnema came from this Pushkar Lake. So Pushkarnema Kuraje, and this is the name of the university covered it. It was identified from Pushkar Lake in Ajmer. Also correct, and this is also correct. So both the statement are correct. Okay, and this cyanobacteria will be used in many nutritional and all other research are also going on. Consider the following statement about the 16th Bhairav Battalion. It was raised at the Maratha Light Infantry Regiment Center in Belagavi. This Belagavi is Karnataka, and obviously it is as Belgaum. Okay. The second largest city of Karnataka, and which is known for its. So this Maratha Light Infantry Regimental Center is located at Belagavi. It comprises specially selected personnel trained for demanding and high intensity missions. Statement is also correct. Named after Lord Bhairav, the fierce form of Shiva, to symbolize battlefield ferocity. This can be partly correct, but here Bhairav taken from fierce military expedition of Marathas, especially related to Lord Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, Bhairav taken from fierce, fierce mission and fierce ferocity of Marathas, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Also true that Lord Bhairav is one form of Lord Shiva, but here this Bhairav battalion is taken from Maratha leader Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So the option 1 and 2 are correct. A silicon photonics process design kit and a universal programmable photonic integrated circuit test engine were recently developed at. So this has been developed by IIT Madras. Option under photonics development. Okay, has been developed by this PK has been developed by IIT Madras. Next, with reference to the fourth Gender Equality Mobilization GEM Award, consider the following statement. The Guntur Municipal Corporation GMC has secured the fourth Gender Equality Mobilization GEM Award. This is correct. The award was presented by UNESCO During the International Day of Women in Industry celebration. Statement is not correct. Not presented by UNESCO. It is presented by United Nations Industrial Development Organization. That is UNIDO, United Nations Industrial Development Organization in Vienna. So this organization of UN is headquartered at Vienna, and this program was held at Vienna only, okay, in April 2026. Was the award presented by to Guntur Municipal Corporation during the International Day of Women in Industry. Okay, so only one first statement correct. A is the answer. With reference to Amrabad Tiger Reserve, consider the following statements. It is located in the Nallamala Hills of Andhra Pradesh. No. It is located in the Nallamala Hills of not Andhra Pradesh but Telangana. So can you catch the trick? It is one of the homes of the Chenchu tribe, classified as a particularly vulnerable tribal group. Yes, yes, also correct. So this Amrabad Tiger Reserve is the second largest after the Sri Salem Tiger Reserve. Okay, and it was carved out by Sri Salem Tiger Reserve, Salem Nagarjuna Tiger Reserve, which was located in Andhra Pradesh. After the creation of Telangana, Amrabad Tiger Reserve had been shifted to Telangana. Option correct. Consider the following statements based on the Bihar Economic Survey 25-26. In terms of annual per capita petrol consumption per thousand, Banka district ranks at the bottom. Which is ranks at bottom? Lakhisarai. In petrol consumption, Lakhisarai at lowest. Okay. And which is at top? Patna is at top. In terms of annual per capita diesel consumption per 1,000 persons, Shekhpura district ranks second from the top. So Shekhpura is second, first is Patna, and the lowest is Shivhar. Lowest is Shivhar. In terms of annual per capita LPG consumption per 1,000 persons, Gopalganj district ranks third from the top. So first is Patna, second is Begusarai, and the third is Gopalganj. And the lowest here is Araria. So the option 2 and 3 are correct. Next question. Consider the following statement based on the Bihar Economic Survey 25-26. The final estimate for the annual growth rate of agriculture, forestry and fishing for 23-24 was 4.5%. Statement is correct, with crop production is the major contributor. Crop production, the major contributor. Okay, so this row, agriculture growth is 0.2%, forestry 0.8% growth rate by 3.2% for 2023 and 2024, and the final annual growth average growth 0.5%. In 2023-24, the contribution of agriculture, forestry and fishing to the gross state value added GSVA was 23.1%. Is correct. In the year 23-24, gross state value added, the crops sector alone accounted for the largest share, that is 11.5% of the agriculture, forestry and statement is also correct. So all the three statements are correct. Option D is the answer. According to the Bihar Economic Survey 25-26, consider the following statements regarding the period between 4 and 24-25. An increase has been recorded in the net zone area. Correct? 1.8% has been recorded in net zone area. A decrease has been recorded in the gross area. Statement is wrong. It is very obvious. If there is an increase in net zone area, how could it be a decrease in gross zone area? So this statement is wrong. Gross zone area also increased by 4.7%. Okay. An increase has been recorded in the cropping intensity. Also very obvious, as are increasing, this will also increase. So from 1.47% in 23-24, it has increased to 1.52% in 24-25. Okay, so option 1 and 3 are correct. Option C is the answer. Here we come to the end of this session of current affairs and also to the end of the test 1 paper. Now you have to revise and revise and revise, because revision is the key to success, and you have to make this time, you have to make it possible. 72nd is your next attempt. Make it your best attempt. Thank you.